Transform rough rocks into beautiful sparkling stones. Explore the secrets of geology with the Thames Kosmos Rock Tumbler. This durable, user-friendly machine comes with everything a budding geologist needs to turn a half-pound of included rock samples or your finds into perfectly polished stones. Grow your collection, decorate your room, or fashion your gems into stunning jewelry. With a leak-proof, noise-reducing barrel, unique drip-catching tray, automatic shut-off timer, and a powerful, long-lasting motor, this classic science tool is perfect for new and seasoned gem collectors eager to let their treasures shine. Start polishing today with the Thames Kosmos Rock Tumbler. Keep your collection growing with the Rock Tumbler Refill Pack and get more grit, more jewelry settings, and 1 full pound of rocks.